There are lots of websites available which is very interesting and which is very useful also. Okay, so if you are also searching that kind of the website, then you are in the right video. In this website you will get the ideas about those kind of the interesting and magical website. Okay, so using this website you can do lots of fun. Okay, so hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press in the bell icon also. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. The first amazing website is the Zoom Quilt. There are two versions available inside the Zoom Quilt, so it is also one of the amazing type of the website. So this the Zoom Quilt will help you to do lots of fun. So the concept behind this website is the infinitive zoom. So you can see in the Zoom Quilt the infinitive zoom, and it is also amazing website. So I don't know how the web developer developed this website, but it is one of the amazing, and it's one of the amazing website. So let's move on to our second website, that is flightradar24.com. flightradar24.com is one of the amazing website to track all the airplanes using only one website. So you can track all the airplanes from this website by sitting on from your bed or on your house. So it is also one of the amazing website. Using the flightradar24.com you can track and you can get all the details about the airplanes. Okay, another useful website is the essay typer, and the essay typer also one of the amazing website. So using the essay typer you can create the illusion to your friends and family. Essay typer also one of the amazing website, and using the essay typer you can do lots of fun with your friends and family. So using the essay typer, just you have to put a keyword first of all. After that, just you have to press the enter, and after that whatever you will press inside your keyboard, then it will start to work. So this is also one of the amazing website, and if you want to also make lots of fun, or if you want to do lots of fun with your friends and family, then you can use the essay typer. Okay, so guys, hoping that you get few ideas about the essay typer. So without any late, let's move on to our another website. Another amazing website is the pointer.com. So using the pointer.com also you can create or you can do lots of fun. There is also one of the amazing and well programmed website. This website will give you the lots of fun. Another amazing website is pointer.com. This website also very well designed websites. I don't know how the web developer developed this pointer.com, but it have also amazing type of well programming website. Okay, wherever you will move your mouse and somebody will start to point there, and this is the specification of this website. I don't know how the web developer developed this website, but pointer.com is also one of the amazing website, and this website also will give you the lots of fun, and you can also show the magics to your friends and family using pointer.com. So without any late, let's move on to our next websites. Another website is one of the dangerous website. According to this website, it will help you to find those kind of haunted areas. Just you have to buy few tickets and they will provide that kind of locations according to this website. So if you want to also feel those kind of haunted experience, then in that case maybe this is the right website for you. This website will help you to find those kind of haunted buildings or haunted locations. Hoping that you get few extra ideas about the interesting website, and if you want to know about the more interesting website on my YouTube channel, then let me know in the comment section. So I'll try to make a separate video on that topic also. So guys, I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.